to the place where the laughter flows.
Wow, this is so fun. Hello. Hi, friends. Hi, Brainy Bubbles. It's Mrs. Alberta, your favorite maths tutor, here at Brainy Bubbles Academy, where math is super fun. Today we're singing dancing to 5 times. Get ready for the 5 times table. Let's count it together.
Count with me. Count with me. It's time to learn the 5 times table. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. Hip hop, count along. Let's sing our 5s in this happy song. At Brainy Bubbles Academy, learning's fun and our hearts are plenty. 5 times table we can say, we learned it in a fun new way. Brainy Bubbles, clap and play. Let's learn more math today. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. Skip, hop, count along. Let's sing our 5s in this happy song. At Brainy Bubbles Academy, learning's fun and our hearts are plenty. 5 times table we can say, we learned it in a fun new way. With Brainy Bubbles, clap and play. Let's learn more math today. With Brainy Bubbles Academy, learning's fun and our hearts are plenty. 5 times table we can say, we learned it in a fun new way. With Brainy Bubbles, clap and play. Let's learn more math today. Brainy Bubbles, clap and play. Let's learn more math today.
That's super awesome. And amazing, friends. We did it. And I'm so proud of you. Keep learn. Keep practicing, you'll shine through. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow our learning platforms at Brainy Bubbles Academy. Wow, I feel like reciting it over again. But I gotta go now. See you in our next lesson by mathematicians. Goodbye, friends.
Bubble, goodbye, it's time to leave. We learned, we smiled, we made new friends. With messy hair, but we grew so bright. Brainy Bubbles shine so well in sight. Stay smart, stay kind, keep that joyful heart. Bubble energy will never let depart. Early to school with